Keen.
Welcome to Green and Keen. Let's try some subtraction quizzes today. Are you up for the challenge? Here we go. Stage 1. Question number 1. 19 minus 8 equals... The answer is 11. Question number 2. 17 minus 12 equals... The answer is 5. Question number 3. 12 minus 6 equals... The answer is 6. Question number 4. 21 minus 4 equals... The answer is 17. Question number 5. 18 minus 5 equals... The answer is 13. Question number 6. 19 minus 8 equals... The answer is 11. Question number 7. 15 minus 13 equals... The answer is 2. Question number 8. 26 minus 12 equals... The answer is 14. Question number 9. 29 minus 19 equals... The answer is 10. Question number 10. 22 minus 7 equals... The answer is 15. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 14 minus 10 minus 1 equals... The answer is 3. Bonus question number 2. 18 minus 5 minus 2 equals... The answer is 11. Bonus question number 3. 24 minus 9 minus 2 equals... The answer is 13. Wow, that was impressive. But don't get too comfortable. The next stage will be more challenging. Are you ready? Stage 2. Question number 1. 33 minus 11 equals... The answer is 22. Question number 2. 36 minus 16 equals... The answer is 20. Question number 3. 37 minus 19 equals... The answer is 18. Question number 4. 45 minus 24 equals... The answer is 21. Question number 5. 28 minus 11 equals... answer is 17. Question number 6. 39 minus 21 equals... The answer is 18. Question number 7. 44 minus 12 equals... The answer is 32. Question number 8. 22 minus 10 equals... The answer is 12. Question number 9. 36 minus 15 equals... The answer is 21. Question number 10. 41 minus 19 equals... The answer is 22. Get ready for bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 33 minus 13 minus 10 equals... The answer is 10. Bonus question number 2. 45 minus 12 minus 8 equals... The answer is 25. Bonus question number 3. 30 minus 11 minus 4 equals... The answer is 15. Great job, Smart! But the fun doesn't stop here. Hold on tight, because the next stage is going to be a blast. Stage 3. Question number 1. 31 minus 11 equals... The answer is 20. Question number 2. 45 minus 12 equals... The answer is 33. Question number 3. 40 minus 19 equals... The answer is 21. Question number 4. 35 minus 13 equals... The answer is 22. Question number 5. 41 minus 21 equals... The answer is 20. Question number 6. 30 minus 19 equals... The answer is 11. Question number 7. 47 minus 22 equals... The answer is 25. Question number 8. 52 minus 32 equals... The answer is 20. Question number 9. 50 minus 16 equals... The answer is 34. Question number 10. 42 minus 18 equals... The answer is 24. Here comes the bonus round. Bonus question number 1. 55 minus 12 minus 10 equals? The answer is 33. Bonus question number 2. 44 minus 17 minus 13 equals? The answer is 14. Bonus question number 3. 56 minus 16 minus 10 equals? The answer is 30. You've shown incredible math skills today. Keep practicing and you'll continue to improve. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. See you on the next quiz. Bye-bye.